Hi, so I'm here with Moon, and Moon and I run the Women's Wellness Circle together, if any of you don't know that. And we have an upcoming workshop available for all people, all genders, called Safe to Move, a supported yoga class. And yeah, Moon, do you want to talk? I mean, we have been doing a couple of other Safe to Move workshops over the last few months, and this one's going to be a little bit different. So yeah, Moon, do you want to talk a little bit more about what we have been doing and how this is going to be different?
Yeah. Yeah. So we've been on a really powerful journey with a lot of people actually from around the world over the last few months, really working with deep principles within the nervous system and with neurobiology and parts work in support of feeling safe to move. So there can be a variety of reasons why at a deep level, people aren't feeling safe to exercise and move around and explore the vital expression of their bodies, including trauma and chronic illness and a variety of other factors. So we um, have had two workshops so far where we've kind of really slowed down and gone deep into what people are experiencing in their bodies and how to work with that as people are wanting to expand capacity for exercise. And so this will be our third workshop, but it's going to be really different than the past two because in this workshop there will be a full 60-minute yoga class. So it's a 90-minute workshop, and there will be a full 60-minute yoga class where we'll be applying the tools and principles that we've worked with over the past two. And not to worry, if you've missed the past two workshops, you can actually sign up and receive the recording so that you can receive that learning. And apply that, and we'll also be there, so we'll have extra space and time. So it's a 60-minute yoga class with another 30 minutes flowing through before and at the end to really help you work on expanding your capacity for exercise. And all kinds of people have been coming to this workshop, people who are wanting to like expand their endurance, and all the way down to people who are bedbound and are working on just really feeling safe to move and to get out of bed.
Yeah, so the invitation is to work with where you're at and your current capacity, and also, an invitation if the time is right to stretch that a little bit, or perhaps not. It's really feeling into what's right for your system and your body on that day when we do the session. So we'd love to welcome you to explore this more, whether you came to a previous Safe to Move workshop or you didn't. We really welcome you, and we do invite you, once you have signed up, to then also purchase one of those past workshops, and we will give you a little discount code for that as well. And also, it's not like, it's just highly recommended. You're still welcome to come even if you haven't attended a previous one. So yeah, and we're both passionate about this. We've both been on our own healing journeys, and for me, I think for me too, expanding movement capacity for me, it's a very important part of recovery. It was something I really wanted to be able to, do, was to get back to being fully physically resilient, and feel that I could go on a run, or I could do some weights and feel confident in my body again. And I know for many people I've worked with over the years, that's also an important aspect. But yet to do that in a way that is paced and sustainable and is in line with where you are, not pushing yourself too far too quickly, but neither holding yourself back either. So it's getting that balance. So yeah, is there anything else you'd like to add, Moon? Or
Yeah, I loved what you just spoke to. It's that flow between not holding ourselves back and also not pushing ourselves too much. And these workshops have really helped people open into the sweet spot in that dance, both from the tools, practices, and lenses of understanding, and also from being in a super supportive community where you're welcome to come and show up just as you are on that day. You don't have to be anything special. You don't have to be in a specific space. Some people are on the floor, some people are in bed, some people are standing up, and all places in between. And so you really get to just show up and explore your body and explore opening up and feeling like safe and feeling that joy in movement. So it's been so exciting. A lot of people have been writing in, sharing what's changed for them from the past two workshops. We had originally only planned this as like, just a one-time workshop of something we were passionate about to bring to people, but it's the feedback we've been getting from all the changes people are seeing in their movement, in their joy of movement, and in their experience of safety that's inspired us to keep going and to continue success.
yeah, there's been lots of incredible feedback about the workshops, and yeah, it's been really amazing to witness that. So many people getting such great results from doing it, from both doing the movement, but also then working on any of the kind of blocks and resistances and fears that can come up around movement. So yeah, it'd be lovely to welcome you to this next edition of our Safe to Move workshop series. And yeah, and just say another way to join this workshop, if you like, is to join the community that we both run. If you're a woman and you feel like you want to join a regular community of support, you could also join that, and then you can access a small discount code for this and get it for £22, but otherwise it's £33. And yeah, we'd love to welcome you to the workshop. And yeah,
On March 26th, the
yeah.
Tuesday, at 2:30 Eastern, 6:30 UK time, and check your time zone because we're in what I like to call funky time change week, where our time zone relationships across the globe are different than they normally are. Yeah.
Catches us out a little bit every time, doesn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah.
All
Thanks for
right.
listening to the end of the video. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.